This video is sponsored by NordVPN. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to surf the internet without a trace. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So we have had some more amazing leaks regarding this smartphone, and this smartphone is shaping up to be a phenomenal smartphone. So let's dive in and talk about this new information, this good news that was dropped on us by some reliable leaksters in the industry. Now, so far, the only bad news we have had on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is the lack of the headphone jack, which does matter to some people. But beyond that, all we've been getting is good news over good news over good news. So the latest information comes to us from a reliable leakster, Ishan Agarwal, and he told us that the phone is going to have the world's first IP69 water resistance capability. So I'm not going to go into the details of the IP69, but it is in fact one step above IP68, which has been the gold standard on most flagship smartphones up until now. But the Note 10 actually tops that, and now we're getting IP69 water resistance rating. So that's leak number one. Leak number two comes from Ice Universe. Now, the leak that he presented us is a photo of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus from the front side in real life hands-on. But he claims he does not know the leaker. So it's an unknown leaker, and he gives us the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus right from the front. And of course, if you look at this smartphone, you do have a screen protector or some kind of film on the front, but you can still see the little tiny camera right in the middle, and you can see the squarish, professional looking design of the Note 10 Plus, which is what I really like and enjoy in relation to the Note 10 smartphones. They're not rounded as other smartphones, but they do have a professional square look. But yeah, so that's it. That's the latest we have on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now remember, this phone is going to have Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is the fastest processor on the market today. The Note 10 Plus is going to have base 12 gigabytes of RAM, IP68 grade water resistance, super fast wired charging up to 45 watts, and also super fast wireless charging up to 20 watts. So again, like I said, as a total package, the Note 10 Plus appears to be a phenomenal smartphone. The only negative for some people is going to be the lack of the headphone jack. But beyond that, we are good to go. So let me know what you guys think about all these specs, all these features. And of course, let me know if you're getting the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus or the Note 10. We have had some more information about these phones recently, so you are able to make a decision, I think, by now, even before the phone is released. So let me know and drop those comments down below. All right. Now, real quick, guys, I know we love the internet, but everyone is basically tracking what you're looking at online, including your service provider. With NordVPN, your location and your connection can be completely hidden and secured by a military-grade encryption, so you can surf the web without a trace, no matter where you are, at home or in a public location. So if you do care about your privacy and security, I recommend grabbing NordVPN. It's so secure, it even allows you to trick the system by making it look like you're surfing the web from a different country, and you could be in the United States. So you become completely untraceable and hack proof. Now, if you do go to nordvpn.com/SAKITECH, you do get a massive 75% discount plus 1 month free. And also there's no risk because you also get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So make sure to use the link nordvpn.org/SAKITECH. It is also linked down below. I also want to let you know this 75% off is their final sale, so hurry up and protect yourself for less than $3 a month. Links are down below.